Embracing vitality, the transformative power of a nutrient-rich diet. In a world saturated with processed foods and fleeting dietary trends, the concept of a nutrient-rich diet stands as a beacon of enduring health and well-being. It's not about restrictive calorie counting or fleeting fads, but rather a holistic approach to nourishing the body with the essential building blocks it requires to thrive. Adopting a nutrient-rich diet is an investment in long-term vitality, fostering energy, resilience, and a profound sense of well-being. 1. Understanding the essence of nutrient density. At the heart of a nutrient-rich diet lies the principle of nutrient density. This refers to the concentration of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds within a food relative to its calorie content. 2. In essence, it's about maximizing nutritional intake while minimizing empty calories. 3. Think vibrant leafy greens, colorful fruits, lean proteins, and wholesome grains, foods packed with essential nutrients that fuel every cellular process in the body. 4. The symphony of essential nutrients. A truly nutrient-rich diet is a symphony of essential nutrients, each playing a vital role in maintaining optimal health. These include vitamins, organic compounds crucial for various bodily functions, from immune support vitamin C, to bone health vitamin D, and energy production B vitamins. 5. Minerals, inorganic elements like calcium, iron, magnesium, and zinc, essential for bone structure, oxygen transport, muscle function, and numerous enzymatic reactions. 6. Antioxidants, compounds that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting healthy aging. 7. Fiber, a non-digestible carbohydrate that supports digestive health, regulates blood sugar levels, and promotes satiety. 8. Healthy fats, essential for hormone production, cell membrane integrity, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. 9. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish and flax seeds, are particularly beneficial for heart and brain health. 10. Protein, the building blocks of tissues, crucial for muscle repair, enzyme production, and immune function. 11. Lean protein sources like poultry, fish, legumes, and tofu are excellent choices. 12. Building a nutrient-rich plate. Practical strategies. Transitioning to a nutrient-rich diet doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here are some practical strategies to incorporate into your daily life. Embrace the rainbow. Fill your plate with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. 13. Each color represents a unique array of antioxidants and phytonutrients. 14. Aim for at least 5 servings daily. Prioritize whole foods. Opt for minimally processed foods in their natural state. 15. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins should form the foundation of your diet. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and refined carbohydrates, while being low in essential nutrients. 16. Minimize your intake of these foods. Choose healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your diet. 17. Hydrate regularly. Water is essential for numerous bodily functions. 18. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Read food labels. Pay attention to the ingredient list and nutrition facts panel. Choose foods with minimal added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Plan your meals. Meal planning can help you make healthier choices and ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients. 19. Cook at home. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes of your meals. 20. Don't fear variety. Variety is key to obtaining a wide range of nutrients. 21. Explore different cuisines, experiment with new recipes, and incorporate diverse foods into your diet. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied. 22. Supplement wisely. While a nutrient-rich diet should be the primary source of nutrients, supplements can be beneficial in certain situations. Consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements. The profound benefits of a nutrient-rich lifestyle. Adopting a nutrient-rich diet offers a multitude of benefits, including enhanced energy levels. By providing the body with the necessary fuel, a nutrient-rich diet can improve energy levels and reduce fatigue. 23. Improved immune function. Essential vitamins and minerals support a robust immune system, making you less susceptible to illness. 24. Weight management. Nutrient-rich foods are often lower in calories and higher in fiber, promoting satiety and aiding in weight management. 25. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. A diet rich in antioxidants and other beneficial compounds can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. 26. Improved cognitive function. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants support brain health and cognitive function. 27. Stronger bones and muscles. Adequate intake of calcium, vitamin D, and protein is essential for maintaining strong bones and muscles. Glowing skin and hair. Nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, and biotin contribute to healthy skin and hair. 28. Enhanced mood and mental well-being. A balanced diet can positively impact mood and mental well-being. 29. Better digestive health. Fiber-rich foods promote regular bowel movements and support a healthy gut microbiome. 30. Navigating challenges and embracing sustainability. Transitioning to a nutrient-rich diet may present challenges, such as time constraints, budget limitations, or dietary restrictions. However, with careful planning and a commitment to sustainability, these obstacles can be overcome. Prioritize seasonal produce, explore affordable plant-based protein sources, and embrace batch cooking to streamline meal preparation. The long-term investment in well-being. Adopting a nutrient-rich diet is not merely a temporary dietary change. It's a long-term investment in your health and well-being. By prioritizing whole foods, embracing variety, and listening to your body, you can unlock the transformative power of nutrition and cultivate a life filled with vitality and resilience. In a world of fleeting trends, the foundation of lasting health is rooted in the simple yet profound principle of nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. The journey to a nutrient-rich life is a journey of self-care, empowerment, and a celebration of the body's innate capacity for well-being.